In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a sales tax report in Xero. To get started, sign in to your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct organization before continuing, especially if you manage more than one account, because sales tax reports are tied to the specific business file you're viewing. Next, go to the top menu and click Reporting. This is where Xero stores the financial and tax reports you'll use for bookkeeping, compliance, and filing. If you don't immediately see the report you need, don't worry. Xero gives you a search option to help you find it quickly. In the reporting area, search for tax, and then select Sales Tax Report. This report is designed to show the tax activity recorded in your account, making it useful when it's time to review what has been collected and what has been paid on business purchases. Once the report opens, choose the reporting period you want to review. Be careful here because selecting the correct date range is essential for accurate filing. You'll usually want to match the reporting period required by your tax authority, whether that's monthly, quarterly, or another filing schedule. After selecting the period, click Update to generate the report. Xero will refresh the figures based on the dates you chose. This step ensures you're looking at the most relevant tax information for that exact time frame. Now take a close look at the sales tax collected on your sales transactions. This section helps you see how much tax was charged to customers during the selected period. It's a key figure when preparing your sales tax return, so it's worth pausing here to confirm the totals make sense. Then review the tax on purchases. This area shows the tax amounts recorded on business expenses and supplier bills. Depending on your tax rules, these amounts may affect what you owe, so it's important to check that purchases have been coded correctly. Next, verify the transactions included in the report for accuracy. This is where you can catch issues like incorrect tax rates, missing entries, or transactions posted to the wrong period. A quick review now can save time and help prevent filing errors later. When everything looks correct, click Export and choose your preferred format. Exporting the report is helpful if you want to save a copy, share it with your accountant, or keep supporting documentation for your records. Finally, use the figures from the sales tax report when preparing your sales tax return. Always make sure the report has been reviewed carefully before filing so the numbers you submit are complete and accurate. Thanks for watching.